So this is what your partner thinks about you. So your partner thinks that you are detached. At times they may think as if it's a friendship as opposed to a relationship. They may also think that you are scared of anything heavy and emotional, and whenever the conversation of emotions crop up in the connection, you flee, you detach, you want to run away, you want to turn your back. It makes you uncomfortable. I also feel like your partner may feel like you upset them sometimes. So you may say some things in conversations that really hurts them, right? And the thing is, right, it's not that you're doing it purposely, but they may feel at times that you could be so detached from your emotions that some of your words sting. They really sting. And I'm not talking about in arguments, but for some of you, yeah, some things that you say in arguments really spin around in your partner's head, and it really affects them. Your partner does find you to be very loving. Your partner does find you to be very compassionate. They do find you to be absolutely stunning, is what I'm picking up. And I do feel that your partner may also think that whether or not they'll say it, you trigger their mother wounds. So you do heal an aspect of them which they were not aware of until you came onto the scene. You may remind your partner of their mother. And for some of you, if you are a male listening to this or you date the same gender, you have the feminine qualities that they find to be very nurturing. You have the type of qualities that drew them into you in the first place: the compassion, the love, the way that you love them. They feel like you give too much sometimes and you don't save enough for yourself. Your partner also finds you to be very beautiful, very spiritual, extremely talented, very creative as well. They find you to be very inspiring, but they find you to be quite closed off sometimes and guarded. They find you to be someone that is very romantic, and sometimes you daydream, you get lost in your own world, and at times they may feel like they wish they can be a part of your world. Hashtag Little Mermaid. But I feel like your partner sees you as someone that's very cute, someone that is very sincere, sometimes a little bit naive, and they just worry sometimes that people may take advantage of you. They may feel like, you don't really see the truth of others and you trust very easily, and they feel like they have to protect you. They may find you to be very impatient at times, but they find you to be somebody that can be quite guarded. You are the type of person that could hold back. This is something that puzzles them somewhat, because on one hand, they find you to be very compassionate, loving, and caring, but you may not be the type of person that likes hugs, and they often wonder, where does that stem from? You allow them to get close, but not that close. They can sometimes find you to be quite cool and icy towards them. Like, you may get close and then you pull back, and then they may not hear from you for days. You have a tendency to isolate yourself, and it keeps them up in their head. They often wonder, is it them that has upset you? So they start trying to trace back on the last conversation that they had with you. They start thinking about what they may have said to upset you, and they would like you to communicate with them more so that they understand that it's not them. Sometimes your partner feels alone in this actual connection, and they often wonder and worry that one day you're going to pull the rug from under them and just end the connection. They see you as someone, I'm hearing, that is out of their league. They see you as someone that they can't believe that they actually had the opportunity to date. And this could be one of the reasons why, for some of you, that you push this person away. Your partner sees you as somebody that you push them away. Please take what resonates. But I feel like your partner sees you as someone that is very universally beautiful, or universally handsome. You know, they feel like you literally got the whole world in your hand, and they see you as very established, and they see you as someone that will achieve so much in this world, but they want you to believe that also. And for some of you, you do know that you are amazing, right? And this is their fear as well. They fear that because you're so great at what you do, because you have all these gifts and talents and qualities, I'm hearing they see how other people react to you. They actually put you on a pedestal, but for some of you, they feel like they can't act like a fan. But they feel like because you got all these amazing qualities about you, one day you're just going to pick up and go. Your partner sees you as someone that's very studious, you know, someone that's very focused on knowledge and expanding their knowledge. They see you as highly intelligent. They enjoy conversing with you. They find you to be very inquisitive. They find you to be very curious, and they love the fact that you are interested in their day to day. They love the fact that you are highly intelligent. You could have an amazing, beautiful speaking voice. You're very articulate, and they're proud of you. For some of you, you may have a degree. For others of you, you're just well spoken, very intelligent, and they love having those deep, meaningful conversations with you. Your partner sees you as someone that is not competitive enough, is what I'm hearing. So you could be dealing with someone that likes their person to show them that they are for them by being jealous and competitive. And because you don't really show these traits, it makes your partner feel a little bit unsure about you. Maybe they're used to people fighting for their attention and their time, but you don't come across that way. And it makes this person feel like, am I even good enough? That's something that they need to work on. That's a them thing. I understand. Obviously, you want your partner to not want to lose you, but they feel like you don't show that you are fearful of losing them. And some of you may actually fear losing them, but you may hide it, but they want this to be shown outwardly. Your partner trusts you, and they feel like with you, they can tell you anything. In the beginning stages, they felt like you had the capability of hurting them. You know, you could do something to really break their heart, like cheat on them. And through knowing you, they've realized that you're not that type of person. You know, I also feel for some of you that your partner knows that when you take time away, it's because you're trying to heal in some cases, but you're also working. Some of you could work a job whereby it requires your full attention. You know, some of you could be in a position of power. Some of you could be like a teacher, a lecturer, psychologist, and they understand this. But sometimes they feel like you take your work home. Your partner sees you as very powerful and strong, and someone that stuffs your emotions down, and they would like you to emote about how you feel sometimes. So for some of you, you could say that nothing's wrong when there's actually a lot going on. Your partner sees you as a master manifester. Anything you say you're going to do, you do it. They find you to be very magical. They find you to be somebody that, you know, they enjoy spending time with, conversing with. They love the way that you get on with their siblings. You're very well liked, very popular. They see you as someone that's very magnetic and someone that's very high vibrational. You've got a lot of size to you. And your partner sees you as someone that they enjoy being around. You know, you make them feel good. And it's not just about you making them feel good. You are a good vibe. You are highly energized. You know, you don't dwell on the mishaps of your life and wallow in it. You know, you're able to alchemize your pain and turn it into power. They see you as very strong and someone that they actually admire. Your partner sees you as someone that is a bit reluctant to maybe want to have children and maybe introduce them to your parents or your mother. They feel sometimes you dim your own light, is what I'm picking up. They feel sometimes that you don't really showcase who you are. And they feel that you don't realize how powerful and amazing you really are. They see you as a pioneer in something. They feel like you're very electric, highly energized, very sporty, and you're their best friend as well as their